according to some laws. They say once you don't marry, you know, can't they shine again. You can't they look, you can't be like bag of fufu. You can't be like bag of rice. But instead, I dey glow, I dey find. AKA, one of the woman we married odo no enegbe odo ne hesi. Man we sabi take care of man. Man we no dey drag check benefits from the baby mama. These bundles where beside put for hand today. This bundle where beside put for hand. So this one not be child benefit. Oh. This one not be government money. Oh. This one is the one where be say my husband they spray our daughter on a 12 years birthday party. At the year rumor say they say na paper money. So now I come here, come count today again. As we count and finish. After we don't count and finish, we go back. Go put her for say make the owner follow me just that I not just want make she involve for all this kind video, all this kind live video. AKA the woman will be say married man will be the man will be say he go fit turn woman where not too far before turn her to mommy water. Check me out now. So in case you want to know what I'm wearing, don't sit here when I introduce what I they wear before. You don't sit here why I still they introduce. You don't say why I introduce and rich. If you want to know what I they wear, as you all know now, original branded stuff now they wear. Yeah. So this t-shirt where beside wear is from Spider. Go price them. You go buy some people full clothes sets. This type where beside wear so it's from Nike. Now original na original not be Mike. Na Nike now wear point of correction na Nike. Not be Mike. Okay, na Spider now wear not be Daspa. Okay? This shoe where beside wear so it's called Nike Essential 19. Okay, go price them for market. Everything there's allowed or Google them. Okay, this waist bead where beside wear so this bead is out of this world. Now my husband I buy for me. Now tell the seducer. If we enter the other room, now tell the twerk. Baby, are you twerk?
Can your wife ever?
Twerk. AKA woman where be say born 4 bouncy headed grown up children.
Be like never born.
Be like never born.
Can your wife ever?
How you check my flat tummy?
Can
you don't flat like razor blade. Only check me out.
You know how many times this your belly don't cut my hand?
The shape.
You know how many times this your belly don't cut my hand?
Honey, how much shape they do you?
Huh?
How much shape they do you?
And that is me don't. My head not correct again.
AKA original branded mama.
My head not correct again. Anytime I see you like this, my head not correct again.
So Bobo gang, Muna pardon me, make I your juice only today.
You too queenilicious.
Designer, go reach my makeup now.
You too over queenilicious.
You too much.
Yeah.
Now don't know anything.
When money do you?
One of the man where be say no they beat baby mama, beat wife because of child benefits.
It happen.
They'll very soon now we'll start to the art. How to fight for child benefit in Germany. If child benefit never come,
when the man know the work, they beat woman.
Yes, nah.
I don't know.
They are put well.
For Germany, so if man know the work, they beat woman.
These 3 bundles where beside put for hand. So this one not be child benefit. Oh. You see, this one not be child benefit. Oh. This one not be government money. Oh. This one I sweat. 10 figure sweat. See, na sweat. And we are so proud to bring it out of bring and come out for media because not be government. It to say na government or child benefit now we go the fear. May police not come knock our door tomorrow. Say all those child benefit why they show for media. You understand? Share the video.
It's not good for a man to be homeless
at all.
It's not good for a man to be homeless. Stop staying at home morning, afternoon, and evening.
Fighting baby mama over child benefits.
Your wife go see you for morning. Your wife go see you for afternoon. Your wife go see you for evening.
So bubble gum, Muna collect one pick.
Yeah,
One pick.
always they come out, go walk. I don't know. If I tell my wife, oh yeah, go stand here now. Stand here.
I go stand.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Yeah, stay there.
I respect you, sir,
Uh-huh.
because you be working class.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Come front here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Because I mean you pay the bills. I mean they take care of all my children.
What up, me, sir?
I mean they pay all the bills.
Yes, sir.
Since 2000 and so one I know my wife. You say she felt like this.
I don't feel like this. I don't feel. I
I
don't
see
feel.
the talk about
I don't feel.
who can make you like this
Now
today?
you.
Who don't know? Everybody knows.
Now you. Before I black like Fulani, yes me. Now you can't make me dey glow like this. Yeah, I said before I black like Fulani, yes me. Now you can't make me dey glow like this.
All the lazy men go and work and take care of women. All these women, they are very depressed. You need a man, and all over the world, I will fight for the women. Now come now. I want to fight for the women. It's too much. My wife, oh, stand up, my angel.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, stand up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, man.
Anywhere you go, just the whole
My
money.
hard-working husband.
Wow. Anywhere they go, just the whole money. They use money.
My independent husband.
Like they call you, they use money to clean house for toilet.
Honey, I don't dey do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, God.
So when I want to, I want to fight for all the women because my DM don't full. I know you can come out to my DM don't full. The one where they Austria, they go write me. All the one kill them. And one by them. The one where they Germany, they go write me. The one, because I never bring all those things. I save them and I know you're deleting. Most I don't person I save my gun.
Only now count for something where you buy.
Let me play my hand.
Boboyo. Now woman where you find. Now they enter husband.
No, I not the boboyo.
Only I dey enter your
What I want to.
I dey enter your abi.
Bobo to go small. I dey guys. I dey
dey enter your
inside. Me
eye.
dey inside.
I dey enter your abi. Twerk. I dey enter your abi.
You dey see am?
Me dey enter your
I
eye.
dey enter inside your body, your eye, everything. Me enter, guys. You dey enter my eye. You dey inside my body.
You too much, man.
Wait. Stay like this. Let me kiss it here.
Ew.
Aye.
Ew.
Oh, side woman. See, just see waist, razor blade.
Ew.
Can your wife ever, you reason as like, don't they tell man, don't me know. Me know, the thing they bust my head, just see, just, come, God, God, no, come. A mommy water, of popcorn, today bread, who do one, Germany made, today bread, who do one, Germany made, So, what I want to try to talk, I'm fighting for all the women, all the lazy men, the ones that are working, they will all make heaven.
Amen.
All the men that are working, taking good care of their wife and children, they will all make heaven.
Amen.
Men are the right amen there. Suburban gang. All the my angel.
Yes.
Angie.
Yes, daddy.
Angie.
Yes, daddy.
You help me with it. Okay. Oh yeah, my modelistic. Ututu. One putu. Tutu. One putu. Ututu. Love. So, so what I'm about to say, I don't tell you now. I say me, this Johnny why come now, I want to fight for the women because my DM really now, may we come out play now for this one now.
If you get my way, jobless, way there your house, kick him out, kick him out.
Yeah, that's the latest.
Kick him out. No food for lazy man.
You understand so?
If the man not ready to change, kick him out. Kick the man out. Make the man go work, make go sweat. Make they let the man they deal on bundles. Kick the man out. Kick him out. No food for lazy man. Don't talk where my working class husband is talking. Kick him out. Man, nigga, you know what I mean? Eh? This one way beside where, so this one not be bone straight, or this one not be human head, but at least it's still worst. Constant cost the way human head they cost.
Only tell them I'm coming.
Honey, I just a feel on top of the world. It be like say waiting I wear yours now. I never introduce and finish. This wristwatch I'm wearing is from Calvin Klein. See, I'm a Zuma. Calvin Klein. Not be Klein Calvin. Calvin Klein original. This ring will be say dey my hand so now 22 karat goldy ring. This bead will be say wear so it's out of this world, okay? You know, see ya. Before you see this bead, buy you have to enter inside river, go bring and come out. That is what they call mommy water. You know what I mean? Honey, now we start to count the money so that we'll go back. Go do what we know how to do best. Today, na Saturday, or back not they open. Money will be said that they spray daughter since last week Saturday. Today make it exactly 1 week. The money still there with us for us.
Okay, so I don't come back. So I was just checking some kind of things. You know, understand so what I want to try talk. I can't fight for all the women because my DM don't full. Normally, woman will be say it dey well. You understand? Woman will be say it dey well. She not they think any other thing. You understand? So she not they come meet other woman. You understand? So it go call the beg. You understand? So it go call the beg for friendship.
Only my yansh they distract you. You just talk mute.
You understand? So the woman not they come back for friendship. You understand? So he get one where they Germany here. You understand? So every day my phone they ring, different type of people. Why? My wife, my wife say no need friend. You understand? So she they always beg for friendship. You understand? He want betrayed that lazy human being. You understand? So that lazy human being want betray them. We don't want them. Don't call my wife. Don't call my family. I'm still saying it on media. Don't call my family. Don't call my wife. You understand? She dey feel irate. You understand? So she always dey smile. You understand? My wife na person where be say she like to dey smile. She like to dey happy. You understand? So now the agreement why I make with my wife. You understand? So it not good maybe say man at the first place you see woman. As you see woman, you and the woman call day. You can't dey promise the woman. You understand? So you can't promise the woman say, don't worry, this and this, I will take good care of you, this and that. You understand? So why you gonna promise the woman after later now you don't marry the woman finish now? The woman will come be like what is that they call like? Go come be like a warlord. Eh? You understand? So it's not good. It's not good. After you don't promise woman will take care of you, this after the woman don't born for you finish, you can't change the woman to warlord. It's not good. See, you just see woman, your carry face come out. The face go, you be like, who don't fight war for 50 years? Eh? Woman go there 25 years, 30 years, they'll be like 60 years old. But the time where they're young, those women, they're fresh. Why all those men, why all those lazy men be like that? Wow, una don't destroy those women's skin.
Imagine.
Those women not come fresh again. They not come find that they my DM, they
Honey,
bed.
kiss my skin, kiss my skin, kiss it. Oh.
You get straw.
Oh God, I get straw. May I go bring straw? May it take
Well,
liquor.
look at it. So, okay, just deliver. We'll do that one inside.
Thank you so much.
You understand what I dey talk so? So the time when the woman dey fresh, now they promise those women, they promise those women. Later now, after una don't see what una dey find, now those women don't born one. Wait, before woman born one, before the woman born two, before the woman born three, before the woman come born 4, 5, or any amount of children, where the men, the one are not maintain those women. Before woman they born one, you have to maintain that woman. Before the woman they born two, they maintain that woman. You see woman body, when God creates women, let me tell you, when God creates women, their body not complete. Let me tell you why. Oyibo,
They get money.
not be to
They get bundles.
not be to the enter, they read Bible. Women, you see them.
Now they fight me because of child benefit. Oh.
You understand? So women, their body not complete. Let me tell you why. You know, see, they say when God they create woman, he can't carry abi the rip, abi no be rip. They say carry. I better not teach me finish because me I know they read Bible, but now yeah. They say
your proverbs.
they say God can't carry the rip of man. He can't use and take create woman. Abi, maybe she say he don't say well woman, they're not complete. Yes, and so. But what I they try to let you know now, parable now they talk here. So as woman not complete now, you know they see women. If they dress, it don't take for Bible. Time of all those Pharaoh wife. If they dress, they go do makeup. You understand now? So women they will come do makeup. If they dress, women, you understand? So this eye, you can't see that their eyelash. They will come fix on. You know
They
say they're not
get money.
complete. You see say they're not complete. They want complete everything for you
They
now.
don't smell bundles for
Yeah,
their
women now,
life.
they day now. They'll come some fix hair. You understand? So some fix hair, some fix eyelash. You understand? So so that's different thing. And women they fix for body. You know why? Because they're not complete. You understand now? So to make sure say woman complete now, you have to show them. Have to get money. You understand? So yeah, you can turn around. Oh,
They get money.
I'm talking something. You understand? So before you make sure say woman complete, make sure say you get money. You dey
You have
work.
to be ready.
Work. Don't be a lazy man. You
No
understand?
food for lazy man.
Yeah, no food
How
for
can
lazy
woman
man.
just born
So-
for you in less than 2 years? You just turn out to as in bag of food.
Yeah, Ozubu. It's not good.
Hello, if na your sister, they go do huh?
You understand? So it's not good. You understand? So before woman they born for you, you understand? Make sure say you they take care of that woman. Woman they need care. Women, I dey talk to all the lazy men. I'm not talking to all the lazy. As far if you know that you are lazy, come out. If you know, not be say shoot bird. I mean they call IY. And before you come out for IY, fair ask people. You see here, it don't take. Me, I know they carry. I know they like and physical. If you get my con, job meet for somewhere. No. Me they tell you this is IY. That is Iyobosa. You understand? So me, I not get any single to why the reason. You understand? Which are the reason every day? That is money day. Money, not be say by so they make math. You
They
understand?
get money.
If you know my family right from D1, Sokoto, Gorishi, Badan, it don't take. You understand? I will never have dream. All these Facebook, something said never would they exist. When I don't they shine my wife bundles. Since all those times of bundles of money called rich now, you don't have much, don't they? So me and you not be for life, generation to come. They root your family, put them for inside train, fit all of the common generation to come. You can't step. You can't be like IY.
At all.
You can never be
Never.
like IY. They're not born that man where.
Never.
You understand? So you not fit.
They get money.
It don't take. You see this angel, so it don't take.
They
Don't
walk.
look at for years. Maybe
They
see this
walk.
angel. Now me, IY.
Show me your
Now
payslip.
me they call IY. Now me they do one. If you don't say easy, now woman there with you for how many years? Shaka if you easy
This is what
now.
they call real man. Woman go there with the man.
No,
The man,
Chaka.
the woman go there glow.
Chaka.
He go dey get joy.
You just say as I the raise shoulder, you just
go dey
say
get joy.
raise shoulder. If you check on, how your children they live, how your wife they live. Check
Hello?
have you ever seen my wife come out on media to beg and if you try
Not when
now?
I have my hard-working husband.
You see, huh? Oh, good
My
girl.
Jaguda husband.
Oh,
you
good
get
girl.
straight to work.
You get straight. No,
My husband
go
my
there.
husband not they beat me because of child benefit.
Don't
Oh,
go
so I
there.
can't pursue my husband come up for us. God forbid, but I never pursue my husband come
Don't
up for
go
us
there.
one day
Don't
because
go
of
there.
child benefits.
Not go there. No risk and not yours go there. You understand? So now Mr. Yobos at the top from Genesis. You understand? So you know my new
Now
chapter.
man where they walk. Now woman they need that for.
You dey come from in the situation.
Now man where they walk. They take care of your wife where.
Now you understand?
Now,
So women
they
stand
need
for your
that.
rights. These things are very important for you because it's not good. How woman go marry that they can't cloth follow una body?
Imagine.
Does that make sense? How you go there with man? You go there with man that they can't cloth. Honey, go and arrange that this thing for me. One,
Okay.
You understand? How woman go marry? All the women think am twice. Not be say, Mrs. Yobosa don't comot me for husband house. Mrs. Yobosa don't comot me for husband house. Yeah, Igualopia. Walking Igualopia, Okpia no winner. Okpia no winner.
Because my husband they enter their habit.
Because they inbox me, they need the bone straight. Make I call they carry bone straight, they carry bundle money, make me call they spray una.
You
You work money for me? Did you work money for me every night? Every night. My wife, my children, they sleep. Me, I go there work like this, big. You think it's easy? Try on.
If easy,
Try
try.
on.
Just buy one Nike leggings.
Try on. So all these
For
things
woman.
why they talk
Try
now,
am.
I dey fight for the women. Just reason now. How woman you go marry man all over the whole Europe, worldwide, Nigeria, the world now they talk now. You not fit marry woman. It's not allowed. It's not good. My family first. This
Yes.
family so. This family where they see so. Look my eye where as I dey close am. My family first. I not use am play and I not joke with it. That's why all the whole money I spend it here. Number one, good. So number two, why you go marry woman or woman there with you for house? They go they count cloth follow your body. My wife, every 3 days, new clothes. Now me they tell you so not be saying shoot bed. Every 3 days, sometimes anytime you just like. You understand? So woman where they marry, a married woman, they don't need to they can't cloth follow your body. They see for media now. You don't wear this cloth today. Now this one now you wear today. Now this hair now you wear today. Now this waiting hairs where they here. I that day for my video. Just I use at the bath. I use at the bath. Hairs where they here. Clothes where they you see wardrobe. You see only the ones where be say we don't need again. You know how many give away worldwide give away. My wife no be person where be say they come person. You understand? So
not be achievement. Close not be achievement.
my wife not be person where they
Then
call.
why you long
My
trusting?
wife not be
Why
person
you
where they
long
call
trusting?
person. You know how many big people want to see for media. So you know how many help when my wife because my wife not be person.
Hair not be achievement.
Very
Bonsai
nice,
not be achievement.
very nice human being.
Money not be
You
achievement.
understand?
Clothes not be achievement.
So
Then why
very-
you long
so very
trusting? Why
nice
you long
human being where
trusting?
you dey see so. Even the person that is talking against me, you understand? So the writing dey there, oh, the calling is there. You know, say the person that I dey keep am for years. Mr. Yobosa dey keep am for years. I be one kind person. I dey keep am for years.
Please
You
follow
can't
this
never
page. Follow us, please, because before, only sorry, before we can't dey 65,000 followers. I just back in less than many hours. We just jump enter 69 followers. Please, I want to celebrate 70,000 followers. Please, if you know you are here, you are watching us for the first time, or you never, you don't dey watch me, they come. Please, okay? So Muna just put smile for my face, okay? 70,000 followers now I want from Muna. Please follow this page for me. Let me celebrate it. You understand? As in, woman where be say He no do saga, he no fight, he no insult who don better pass am for life. Now only make up and doing my things. Now I take reach that 70K followers easy. So then me and Odungas, where they call themselves Odungas for social media, now me and they come they drag followers. So you don't see Grace stay there. We not be Grace mates. Please, if you know you have not followed this page, follow this page for me, okay? You remain small. I want to upload it. I want to upload it on my page. 70,000 organic followers. Okay? Muna yours one for me. You like me, you don't like me. Okay? If you know you are proud of me, for the past 2 years now, I became a public figure. I dey mind my business, they do my thing. It was not easy for me to gather that 69 followers, even though you don't like me, okay? Just go click on follow. I want to celebrate that 70K followers. Make them see and say, grace mate and age mate not be the same. Go ahead, my love. I don't do one. Go ahead.
So, this man. Make I drop this one. So what I try to talk is I did all the women where they with man for us. Now outside I did. Because enough is enough. Thousands of women. Sorry, guys.
That is our rich man role. Yeah. Cough, big man, cough for them. Yes, that's my hobby for life.
Yes, sir, your neck go froze you.
It go froze you, it go fold.
So, you understand? So, now this one, my wife, my angel. Can your wife ever?
Now, man, where they try, now woman, they buy real silver wristwatch for.
Can baby
for Valentine's Day.
Can baby mama ever? So that is it. So what me they try to talk now is all the married women in the house. As far you deal with man for house, that man not they take care of you. I see they talk, cannot be bad word.
Shut the man out.
Throw bien.
Throw
inside that.
Throw
head.
If you throw where the man not gree comot, carry knife, gag the man, flush am for toilet. Nobody go ask.
Carry rope. If the man not take care of you, because now important thing, because na cost for you to take care of a man is a cost.
Yes.
Is a cost.
Yes.
And that cost go to follow generation. Say why they follow generation? Nah, mama take care of his papa now. Now he follow the pikin. Now he follow pikin. Go they follow pikin they go. So now man they take care of woman.
Allah.
Any married woman where they ask come dear dofu now they write me oh. They need both straight for me. You understand? So any married woman where get man for us, the man not take off her overnight as the man they sleep carry rope, tie that man, go through here for her side. If you get dustbin where big, drop that man inside. If you get dustbin, drop that man inside. Not be like me they tell you throw away the man because women, many women they go see say if their boyfriend not fit take off, their husband not fit take off, they don't see. Queen Mrs. Orobosas they shine, they go they jealous for them. They go they jealous for them because they're there with lazy men. Very lazy. The lazy don't get, you don't get high voice. You know say get lazy when they say you get lazy, you know fish shatan. You get that they call very lazy man. You know say okay that one still good lazy. You know say that they see good lazy. Make I tell you the kind one where some men be. They're very lazy. Like they slow they talk because that lazy that they call that generation curse. Any lazy will be generation cause. Any lazy, not be say without be told. You know, say get some lazy, you're the same. Some lazy, a man go there with woman for us, not they go anywhere. They're not talking about enough. You not see me now. They follow my wife now. Oh yeah, other. I don't follow her dance. So may not be like say. My wife they come out, she not get husband. This. Why not they show husband? Now then go see say why not they show husband. That's why they come out. You understand? But as a strong man, you dey sound so very black diamond. If you see her as a strong man,
you too much, daddy. Daddy.
You sound so as a strong man.
For you.
No.
Daddy, they shake. Daddy.
You understand? So as a strong man, as a strong man now, you dey see am so. Hey, now that walk, you dey see am so. That walk with full pride. If you need a live video, I go put am make you see am. Chef, hey, your boss, sir. You understand? So, hey, all the old chef, your boss, sir, strong man. You understand? So, if it easy, stand for how many hours? Go work. Take your family. They pay the bills.
Shiny boys.
Come.
Indomie
boys. Say they're not
My
strong.
God.
Why is that compare? Yes, Akbu.
God.
I mean, they call Akbu
Akbu master.
Yes,
Indomie boy challenging
yes,
Akbu master.
Yes, go work.
Your baby they deceive you.
Go work. Take care of woman.
Oh God.
Take care of children. Buy them marker shoes. Yes, different type. Not be say today. You go your wife, your married woman, or the cat cloth follow the woman body. Now this one you wear today. Now so this hair. Now so this hair she dey wear. Now so make I pack go straight where they never touch for you. You know say me now another content. Make I pack bone straight they never touch.
You're just gonna create content tomorrow.
You know how many bone straight they never touch for you. You know how many give away for years the conditioner. Because my wife know the talk. Even you yourself, where they rampart every worldwide. Your writing there, your voice call where you tell they beg me. Where you tell they beg me. How can a father they beg father money? It's a disgrace. Let me hold my teretete. Check everything on gold. Yes, also. Yes, sir. It's a disgrace. I tell you, I told you people that these are the things I'm telling people. All those things that they call a generation curse.
Imagine.
It's too much. Any woman where they marry man where they generation curse, it's not good. Imagine. Any woman where marry man where they generation curse, it's not good. How can a father they beg father another father money? How can a father they beg another father money? Lazy men. Lazy men, that kind of still good.
They know they shout the lazy.
No, I said that kind of still good.
Okay.
Very lazy. The lazy day is very slow. So I'm not a lazy man like you. Check my family, check the living, check everything. You understand? Even all those one, you get one where they form say, say when they don't carry Albania. If they pay Albania where not they work, he say na Jama. He say na Jama. Albania, they put Albania for us. Now then they feed Albania. We don't see her now. I think things don't they happen now. They'll put Albania for us. They'll say na Jama now they put for us.
She born for 2 months. She born for 3 months. She born for 4 months. You married one way they single now.
They say they want go find black now. Black.
I got it. Certified, officially, well known, home and abroad. You married the one way single now.
Sample your ring. Mama, everybody collect bride price. Family. They eat cow, canopy, musician, everything. They eat cow. Everybody share cow. You feed one. Married woman like that now. As they do the marriage on Nigeria, canopy, everything, meeting, in mama meeting. As they do one. Now so they do one for Deutschland. Come carry hall. As they say they do one for Deutschland. Now so they consider they do one for church. You don't see, you know how much die there. You know how much go? Only engagement. When I never see put for woman hands. You marry woman now. Make you take care of woman. Marry. That they jealous my wife.
Imagine.
I don't come
Like
for
say I
now.
know them before. Are you crazy or something?
Me not the reason. You go say you talk, man. I said money, shall see the family. I said that time. Money, I said them. Me not the reason anything.
I bet I know say na my daughter if I use and spray for. I bet you use and touch my romance my nails some more. Oh.
This one I change step. If you see need money, I bring another currency. Don't joke with me. If you talk now, I bring another currency, 100. You go there like this. Don't joke with me. Now maybe I'll bring currency like this. 100. Don't joke with me. Now me that they call